In today's video, I'm going to teach you some travel hacks that will help you pack in only an under the airplane seat bag. There are some features that will help you, and there are some lessons that I learned on a recent trip that will help you pack in a bag that fits under the airplane seat in front of you for your entire trip. Number one travel hack is this: limit your liquids. You are going to use a smaller, more shallow, more narrow, or more slim-lined liquids bag so that it can fit and not take up a lot of space in your backpack. This backpack fit under the airplane seat in front of me, and I was going for a 3-day trip. It is so hard, but I learned so many travel hacks that I can share with you. Besides having limited liquids and a shallow or narrow bag, you're also going to pack no pouches for makeup, no pouches for other toiletry items. You're going to look at what features your bag has after you have checked the airline's size dimensions for a personal item bag. But if your airline does allow a carry-on bag, this can be counted as a carry-on luggage so that you can take a large crossbody bag or an even smaller backpack to be your personal item bag. Here are some features to look out for when you're trying to pack in only one bag. Like, it already gives me a deep, wide pocket up here and right here. And you can see that the bag can mush and squish easily so that I can make things bulge or pack a slimline amount of items. You may have loose pockets, you may have zippered pockets that can help you treat that feature of the one bag as a pouch. The clips on the side of this backpack help it compress. When I'm through packing, I can close all of these and it would compress the entire backpack if you are trying to make it a little less deep. You can use the water bottle pocket. This one goes all the way down, which would hold an umbrella, or it could hold a rolled up shirt. Notice if there are any loops on your bag that you could maybe use a carabiner hook and attach a pouch or a little crossbody bag. This one is included in this backpack, and it has the little latches that are removable. See that strap? You can remove it if you absolutely have to, or you can remove it and slide it in as a pouch and then pull it out once you do get in the airplane and wear it. Another feature is to see where all you can pack inside this one bag. One benefit of packing in only an under the airplane seat bag is that everything you need for that flight is easily accessible, even if you have to sit in your airplane seat and open it up to get something. However, this one does not have a computer sleeve in it or attached to it. What? Oh my gosh, it does. I just noticed that this does have a computer sleeve. It was so slimline, I did not take my computer on my trip when I had to pack in here, and that was my con. Now I know that it was already in here. See how you can barely even tell? Another travel hack is this: if you are trying to meet that airline's size dimensions and you're really worried that yours is like 1 inch or 2 inches too long or wide, black helps, like people, it helps minimize how big it looks, if that makes sense. If your one bag is going to be a regular backpack for school sized, then you would start with what I do, and my tip is to pack with compression cubes and just stack them, or just try folding or rolling your clothes to see what you can fit. And then I also like having a pouch or a pocket that's on the outside of a school backpack sometimes. You can see how mine is sticking out, but it protrudes from the backpack itself, so it gives you, that feature gives you an automatic pocket with organization pockets inside it for extra packing, even though it's only one bag. One travel hack is to pack the least amount of technology that you need for that trip. You may not have room to take your power bank to charge your phone. You're going to wait until you get to the hotel room and use your charger that plugs into the wall. Taking AirPods instead of the over-the-ear headphones would save space as well. My husband is an airline pilot and he always likes backpacks that have this back support strap right here that can click together to help it stay on his suitcase, because sometimes he doesn't like using this little strap, but this one very easily fits over all of my luggage handles. But if you need that extra support, it is in this bag specifically. When I do only pack in one bag, I like the top loading ones. For some reason, they open all the way from the top. The black one opens like from the top and then down, but the pink one, also from Bag Smart, opens like a book, but from the top, leaving that extra flap for extra packing, and they both compress. The Nomad Lane bento bag is also really good for packing in one underseater because you can open it wide like a book. It has all the organization, but a bucket side in which to pack your clothing and other travel outfits and those essentials. Here are some travel hacks that I use for planning my outfits. And remember that hacks help you do something faster, or they help you do something with less stress, or they help you have a shortcut, if that makes sense. So when you are planning your travel outfits, utilize these hacks for packing in only an underseat bag. The key travel hack is to mix and match your travel outfits. Wear them again, or number two, wash them often so that you can wear them again if you're worried about them being super clean or if you sweat a lot. You want to use lightweight fabrics. In the winter, use cashmere or merino wool. Merino wool can also be used in the summertime as t-shirts, and they are very thin, meaning they're not see-through, but they will dry fast. Cashmere is not bulky, so it's not going to take up a lot of space if you do pack it in this one bag. But yet it is going to keep you very warm if you wear it on top of a t-shirt. That brand is the only cashmere that I can wear with no shirt underneath. It is not itchy at all. I even packed it to wear in the really cold airplanes during the summer because it's a bouncy, lightweight cashmere. Another travel hack for your outfits is no hoods. They add unnecessary bulk and take up unwanted space in that one bag. Another travel hack, if you have extreme need to carry more clothing for your travel wardrobe, and that is to wear multiple layers into the airplane. You could take a grocery store trash bag and stuff those extra layers in the bag and then put them up in the overhead bin after people have put their suitcases up there, but it depends on that airline's rules or what you can get away with after you can stand up again in mid-flight. Other travel hacks that can help you are with shoes. Number one, only pack one pair of shoes. The bag features that you have are going to help you immensely, or you can make it work. But this one has this inside hidden pocket from the base of the backpack for shoes. So many people, that way you do not have to pack your shoes in a shoe bag, let's say. But I tell you, when I did it, it was so hard. I ended up using another hack, and that is I did pack my bedroom slippers because they're so flat and easy to pack. But this is the hack that I used. I only wore the pair of shoes that I wore in the airplane for the entire 3-day trip. If it was summertime, I could pack flat sandals easily that still have support for my picky feet. But since it was in Colorado right after their huge snowstorm in November, I did pack my hiking shoes that are also waterproof. So that's another travel hack. Pack shoes or wear shoes that can serve two purposes. Number one, waterproof if it's snowing or raining, but number two, they are very comfortable, so I can walk all day if I want to. And in Colorado, all the places, Montana and all that, you're dressy enough to go into a restaurant wearing your hiking shoes. Here are some travel tips to help you eliminate where you're going to pack so that they will all fit in that one bag. 2 colors will help you blend all of your travel outfits together. Number 1, wearing all black. You can be monochromatic, especially if your shoes are also black. And then blue jeans or that khaki trouser fabric that's cotton blend, those will also mix and match with other travel outfits. Blue jeans go with basically every top, but some people do not like to wear blue jeans. So maybe make them blue cotton trousers like the old Dockers that were out there. Land's End has some cotton blend navy blue pants. If you do like to wear blue jeans, like I do, here is your tip. Wear them in the airplane if they do take up too much space. My one travel hack that enabled me to have multiple travel outfits in only one bag is I packed a pair of fleece-lined, wide-legged leggings that looked like trousers. So I could have gone into a restaurant. I was very comfortable. The waist is super stretchy, but they have faux zippers, they have faux pockets in the back and real pockets in the front. So they're flattering to all body types. And because they were fleece lined, I could wear them hiking, but we didn't. Or I could wear them into a restaurant and be fine. And one thing that I noticed, like I just bought these in 2024, these fleece-lined leggings are not fluffy or fuzzy or furry. It's just a little touch of fleece that is so nice going against your legs if it's cold. It's hard to explain. They're viral all over Instagram and beyond. Here are some tips to help your packing process go smoothly and be easier for you. Number 1, you're only going to pack the essentials, right? Number 2, you're going to consider if your packing direction should go against, like across, or be packed lengthwise. Which one helps you keep them as flat as possible or as low a level as possible? When you're packing in different seasons, that can determine if you have a bulkier like pullover with a half zip versus a t-shirt in the summer. You're also going to compare which packing method actually helps you. I always use the folding method because it's just faster for me, and rolling is what I choose to do when I have extra pieces that I want to fit in this corner, I want to bend them in an L shape, then that's the method that I would employ for that trip. You can also try compression cubes or a gallon bag and suck out all the air. My YouTube audience is who made me try these about 5 or 6 years ago. They do not use a vacuum cleaner. They are the most top quality zippers ever. And I just fold my outfits and lay them flat in there, and you use the top zipper, and then the second zipper is where the magic happens. It compresses the air in between those outfits so that you do have some more space above there to pack more outfits or other travel essentials. But here's the problem that my YouTube audience has a lot of times. Your airline restricts the weight that you can bring on board. So be careful if you do use compression cubes. A lot of my audience loves compression cubes because it helps them feel more organized. If you're going to be unpacking from one bag only, you want to have all of your outfits in one cube, all of your other clothing in another cube. And since it comes in 7 pieces or 6 pieces, you do have smaller cubes for less items. Another travel hack that helped me pack in this one under the seat bag is I packed a minimal amount of makeup brushes. This bag includes 2 pouches in this open sleeve of the backpack. This one is for more wet items like a shampoo bar or a toothpaste that might be wet still. Or you might want it to air out in this pouch, okay? Use those so you do not have to pack your own pouch. That way you can use your outer pockets for your airplane seat travel essentials that you can get to easily. You're also going to move those toiletry items or things that would go in those pockets vertically or horizontally, diagonally. Which way is going to help you fit them all in? When you think you have packed all you can pack, you're going to run through this checklist one more time. starting with your head, shoulders, knees, and toes, have you packed those essential items? Are they versatile with other items? Can you eliminate any of those so that you can use something you've already packed? You're really taking a genius approach to packing by eliminating the things you really do not need and swapping out items you do not need. I hope these travel hacks helped. Let me know what your concerns are and we can work through those together. If you've never flown before, I have a great video for you about your first time flying in an airplane. Be sure to watch that. I'll also have it with the other links in the first comment as well as the description box paragraph that's under this video. I really appreciate you and good luck.